if you take bath with cold water, you can never catch cold because the temperature is the same. For a while you will feel it's cold water, but it's very good. Those people who take bath with cold water, did you get hot water to have baths? Where? You had hot water? That's very wrong. That's the reason. That explains. If you have to take bath with hot water, then you must get into your bed. If you have to take it in the open, sure shot you will get temperature. Absolutely sure shot. This is a very simple thing, which I don't know how you don't know. You should never take your bath in the open with the hot water. That's sure shot. I mean, anybody who wants to, you see in the school, supposing some boy doesn't want to go. So what he does, he keeps the window open and takes his bath with hot water. Finished. He gets the temperature immediately next day. So in Brahmapuri, if they have given you hot water, you should not have taken bath. That was wrong. Even if you had got, river Ganges, I don't know if you have, how many have been to river Ganges? You have been. Now the water is freezing cold, I tell you. It's absolutely freezing cold. When you put your foot, you'll just push it back. It's so cold. But people get into it slowly, they just slip into it. And when you come out, your cheeks are red like apples. It's so very cold, isn't it? But nothing happens. Nobody catches cold or anything. So in the running water is the cleanest and where you could get into cold water. Otherwise, even if you have to take a hot water bath, take it in the night or maybe at the time when you can go off into your bed. In England also people take their baths in the night mostly and get into bed. Supposing you take hot bath in England and go out, immediately you will get cancer of the lungs. Hot and cold is a very important thing one has to know. Like also you can see on the hands, you feel hot and cold. So now supposing you have taken the coffee. After that, you cannot take anything cold. It's a simple thing, one should understand. First, you can take anything cold. Like I have seen people take coffee and then ice cream. I'm sure you get troubles. Absolutely sure. But if you are taking ice cream, first take ice cream, then take a biscuit, and then take some water, then take some biscuit, and then you can take something hot. Now supposing you have taken something hot and you have to take water also, then take 3 biscuits. Another very great precaution you have to take, which I've seen nobody takes. Now it's sometimes become very hot outside. You are sitting down into programs or something, becomes very hot, you are sitting in the sun sometimes and your head gets very heated up. Immediately you go and get cold water. Definitely you will get sick, no doubt about it. That's the best way to get sick. So if you are sitting in the sun, immediately you should never take any water till you have eaten something sweet. Take some sugar or take some jaggery or some biscuit or something. Even if you are very thirsty, you should not do it. Little precautions have been taken. Nothing should happen to Sahaja-yogis, because if you get sick, I get sick. That's the problem is. And that's why I was so sick yesterday. I knew that you must be all very sick. That's why it has happened to me.